Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired on WVIP 93.5 FM radio weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
Good day, good day, good day. My name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Welcome to all the immigrants coming across the border, coming on those planes, coming as H-1Bs, EB-5, B-1, B-2, F-1, F-2s. Welcome to America. And you are a very useful resource for America and for your own country. Your own country benefit by remittances, which is one of the highest earnings that Mexico has, over $26 billion a year. And the U.S. job market is always growing and requires labor, both legal labor and undocumented labor. Yes. So when you see people come across the border, they didn't get a work permit, they didn't get a social or anything like that, they obviously have to work. The restaurant industries, the underground industries in the U.S. need those workers. And the U.S. government is willing to give it to the businesses because they do not want their economy to collapse, like Western Europe, and other countries that do not take immigrants into their own countries. Why? Because they don't want those Africans in Italy, France, Spain. They are racist in Western Europe as well as racist in America. At this time, the Republicans are the monopolists on racism, but it was the Democrats. 6 of one, half a dozen of the other. My name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. And I want to say thank you to one of my avid listeners, my dear God, Jesus Christ. Thank you for giving me the wisdom, the knowledge, and the truth and the understanding to speak the truth on this radio show. Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. I am your warrior. I am God's warrior. Yes. 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Oh, yes, it's hot. People are dying, just like when we had COVID. There are some things that we can control and others that we cannot. Unfortunately, the U.S. government allowed millions of COVID vaccines to expire and gave none to Africa. Now, America, Biden wants to run and say, Africans, please work with us. Don't work with China. Well, please, Biden and your hypocritical democratic government. Why didn't you give vaccines to Africa? Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. When people die, when we had COVID, good friend of mine, Mr. Douglas, passed on. When people are dying in this heat wave, because unlike people who have a lot of money, we still have to come to work. Some of the working conditions that we have out there for a lot of workers, especially those making those deliveries, It's brutal out there. And I empathize with those people. However, what these people have to understand, just like people who have money, you have to do wills, trust, estate, and succession planning. Sometimes we move on in life unexpectedly, and this is happening a lot, especially for people with low-income jobs, and even those who have good jobs in the unions. Recently, in front of our building here at 26 Court Street, I heard the legal aid people, with their blowhorn, give us better wages, give us better wages. And these are lawyers working with legal aid that help immigrants, that help in the defense, people defended in criminal court, landlord, tenant court, and other courts. We need New York City, New York State to pay these workers, lawyers, a better salary so that those who cannot afford, legal representation to get that legal representation. Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa & Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. Give us a call. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Our website, Ask the Lawyer, www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. We also broadcast in Trinidad and Tobago, in Grenada, obviously here in New York City. We are online with our podcast, and we're going to be live in Jamaica soon. Yes, that beautiful island. Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa & Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. And yeah, I'm God's warrior also. But basically, I am a warrior. And we represent you at the best of our abilities. Thank you.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions, we've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions, we've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.